Hi friends! Let's take a look at the before and after pictures of our bathroom remodel. And welcome to the Loose Screw Ranch. So check these out. What do you think of that green paint? You know, I kind of like it, but not for this bathroom because I'm thinking light and airy. That's what I'm thinking. And as you can see, it's quite dated. And as we walk in through the bathroom there, I'm really concerned about those doors because there's some kind of stain on them. And that door right there goes right into your master bedroom. That's what we're going to call it. I'm really jealous of this pantry right here. Oh, I'm sorry, linen closet, if you will. And then there's another picture of that shower and the vanity and then the toilet. Looks like it's in good shape, doesn't it? Looks like it's in really good shape. Pictures are liars. They are liars. You go out that door there. Oh my goodness, look! There's the supervisor on break, as usual. She's so ornery. But we're back to the bathroom. Oh, looks great, doesn't it? Right? Looks great. You can't see anything. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. A lot of the wood had to be torn up. It was rotted. The toilet had been leaking, and also the window had been leaking as well. So there was 2x4s and things like that that had to be taken out. Oh my goodness, she can't bear it. It's just too much to bear. This is too much work. And then, don't you love camera magic? Look at that. It's all fixed up. Oh, even the drywall's fixed. Isn't that wonderful? That's just fantastic. We even got little fairies running around there fixing things, and the drywall and hardy backer. We got the hardy backer on the floor, and then we got the tub surround taken out. And of course there was dry rot on the floor, so we had to repair that. Oh, there's the other supervisors fighting over who's going to get the next job. The guys just decided they're just going to go on and continue working while the supervisors fight it out. We got the hardy backer up and working on fitting the other piece of hardy backer that we had left over from another job right there. It was just the sheetrock was too thick, so we were shaving it down. Boom, there it is. Got it. And then the big boss came in. He was not happy of how we were mixing the mud. He was completely unimpressed, except when he walked into the bathroom and saw all the red guard up on the walls and on the floors. We did the whole bathroom in wet red guard. And then, miraculously, we got some tile done. And so, I don't know if you can see those niches. Anyway, so I wanted a little bit of contrast to go kind of something different than the surround of the shower. So we used floor tile in those niches. And it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too hard to get in there. But some of this tile, it's pretty good sized tile. It was really hard to work with and get it up on the wall. So we had to make the mud set pretty thick. And look at that. You see that? You see those arrows pointing to that hole right there? There was a rat. He popped his head up out of there. And I was sitting Indian style over there by that tub. And I did not know that I could get from that seated position up on my feet and out that door as fast as I did when I looked over and saw that rat. Let me tell you. But look how beautiful it's turning out. Isn't it just gorgeous? Yeah, there's the paint bucket that I found to put over that hole to keep that rat at bay. Look at that vanity. Isn't it just beautiful? And the dark floor and the light walls just makes it even look bigger. I just absolutely love it. Love the light fixtures. I love all of the whole bathroom. I'm really jealous of this bathroom. This is at our rental house down in Oroville. And now we're going to go on a tour. And wouldn't you know, the toilet decided to take a smoke break. Oh my goodness. Love how the niches turned out and the contrast. There's a little towel hanger, so when you get out of the bathtub, you can just hang your towel up. And the doors. Let's talk about those doors. They turned out so pretty. I just love how they turned out. And there's a night light on that one switch. I don't know if you saw it, the light switch to the bathroom. It's a night light once the switch is off. So we're going to look at the linen closet. Wow, what a difference, right? What a difference. Oh, there's another supervisor. Those are the two supervisors that was arguing in the beginning. So listen, the supervisors there, they want to know what was your favorite part of this video. And thank you so much for being with us. And we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.